Hi guys, this is TechnoKit. In today's tutorial video, I'll show you how to use different colors and make a mixture of different colors. It will give you a better option, more variety using the color, and also give you a bit of knowledge about the gradient. So let's start. So let's assume I have draw a rectangle, and here you can say you can use different colors for filling: black, red, yellow, green. And but now I'll show you how you can use a mixture of different colors. So here the gradient tool, here you can see. So by clicking on this, you can give this box this gradient. Yeah. So what if I want to make some other gradient? Just click on this, and now you can give another color like red to whatever color do you want, and also you can increase or decrease its opacity. So here if I want to give a yellow, so here you can see mixture of two colors. You can move that gradient a bit toward right or left. But if you want to have more than two colors, just click and below that bar, gradient bar, so give that red color. So this is how you can do and create as many different types of gradients as you want, and give you a variety of different options and to work with. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and do practice all these things. It's all about your imaginative powers, and I hope so you will learn much more than what I think. So thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel, and bye.